we have done Chatushram, Tishram, Mishram, Khandam, and now we go to Sankirnam. Sankirna Jati has got 9 aksharas or 9 beats or 9 counts. Okay, so it is takka, dimi, takka, takkitta. So that is how Sankirna Jati is recited. We have to do that in 3 speeds. Let's do the first speed or the slow speed first. Ta, ka, di, mi, ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. It ends in the middle finger here. Okay, this is the slow speed. Let's do it again. Ta, ka, di, mi, ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. Now we go to the second speed, which is double that of the first speed. So each beat or each akshara will have 2 syllables. Takka, dhimmi, takka, takkitta, takka, dhimmi, takka, takkitta. You see it ended here again. That is how you will check whether you have recited correctly. It will end on the correct finger. Your Sankirna Ekatalam will end here. Similarly, your Khanda Talam will end in the pointer finger. Your Mishra Talam will end on the little finger. So if you are doing the recitation in the correct way, if it is correct, then it will end at the same place each time. Okay, so let's recite the Sankirna Jati in the first and second speed. Ta, ka, di, mi, ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. Takka, dhimmi, takka, takkitta, takka, dhimmi, takka, takkitta. I was just tempted to go to the third speed, but I stopped. I said, let me do it here once again for you. So we'll do it together. Ta, ka, di, mi, ta, ka, ta, ki, ta. Takka, dhimmi, takka, takkitta, takka, dhimmi, takka, takkitta. So you've observed it's ended here. Okay. Now we'll go to the third speed. How many syllables or bowls will come on each beat for the third one? For the third speed? 4. Right. You're right. 4 will come. So for 4, now we have to see, be very carefully. We have to do it. So the first entire Takkadimi will come on the first beat. In the second one, Takka Takkitta is left, right? 5 counts. 4 out of that will come on this. Takka and Takki. Ta will come on this. Next Takkadimi. Takka Dhi will come on this. Mi will come on this. Takka. Now Takka Takkitta is left. So once you have got Mi here, you have left Takka Ta. Takka Ta will come on this. Kitta. Okay, then what is left? Takka. Now the next Sankirnam. Takka Dhimi. So Kitta Takka. Kitta Takka. Dhimi. Takka. 4 gone. Takkitta on this. And next Takkadimi, Ta on this. Kadhimi Ta on this. Katakita. There, you have finished it. So that is how you will distribute your syllables in the third speed. Let's do it continuously. Takka, dhimi, takka, takkita, takka, dhimi, takka, takkita, takka, dhimi, takka, takkita, takka, dhimi, takka, takkita. So now let's do it once again. Takka, dhimi, takka, takkita, takka, dhimi, takka, takkita, takka, dhimi, takka, takkita, takka, dhimi, takka, takkita. So I have taught you how to say the Tishra Jati, So we have just now done the Sankirna Jati in Sankirna Ekatalam. Now we will do Sankirna Jati, Vilambita Kalam, Madhyama Kalam and Dhrita Kalam in Sankirna Ekatalam. That is the 3 speeds of Sankirna Jati in Sankirna Ekatalam. You will be reciting Ta, Ka, Di, Mi, Ta, Ka, Ta, Ki, Ta, Takka, Dimmi, Takka, Takkita, 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 Ta. Let's do it once again. Ta, Ka, Di, Mi, Ta, Ka, Ta, Ki, Ta, Takka, Dimmi, Takka, Takkita, 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 Ta. So that is how you recite Sankirna Jati in Sankirna Ekatalam in 3 speeds. So we have done all the Jatis in Ekatalam. Now we need to explore the other talams too.